At Dirksen, we know that every person's needs are different. That's why we offer a wide variety of options that allow you to make your building special and custom to your specific needs. Using our website, you can easily design a building with all the features, colors, sizes, and styles that meet your needs. We offer a basic electrical package that consists of a 100-amp breaker box, 4 interior wall receptacles, and 1 light with a switch. Additional options can be added to meet your specific electrical needs. We also offer transom dormer options that give your building an upgraded look that complements your home. Board and batten siding is now an option on many of our building styles to give your portable building a unique look and a protective weather barrier. We offer durable lap siding from LP in a variety of colors that provides 3 layers of protection to your building: a vapor barrier, OSB, and the lap siding itself, giving you the utmost protection for your portable building. Our ramp door option provides you with an easy way to store and retrieve your ATV, mower, or other equipment by conveniently lowering a beautiful wooden door that includes a ramp. We are the first in the industry to provide such an option. Garage options consists of our new rubberized flooring to give you added protection and durability in your garage or workshop. We also offer workbench, shelves, and pegboard options to give you the ultimate garage experience. Our closed cell spray foam insulation will help keep your portable building cool in the summer and warm in the winter. All that and more available in our many style options, including cabins, garages, utilities, cottage sheds, metro sheds, dog kennels, greenhouses, playhouses, and so much more. Visit your local dealer today or learn more about us at dirksenbuildings.com and get started on your Dirksen building journey.